Today we are going to learn about migration of people, chapter 1 from 5th class environmental science, environmental studies. Okay, Chinmay, now here are some learning outcomes.
Yes.
Learning outcomes means after completion of this lesson, you are going to get these competencies or this knowledge about migration. What are the learning outcomes? Please read.
Peoples will be able to understand the concept of migration and its effect, analyze family needs and economic fulfillment, understand economic conditions of the family, know about the government schemes available.
Yes. Now the learning outcomes will be, first all of you will understand the concept of migration. What is migration and what are the effects of migration? And the second one is analyze family needs and economic fulfillments by the migration. And the third one is you will understand economic conditions of the family. You can clearly get an idea on economic conditions of your or any family. Next, the last one is know about the government schemes available. Government schemes, what are the how many types of government schemes are there and what are the useful government schemes? All this type of knowledge you will get after completion of this lesson. Okay, now here is the QR code. Do you know what about this? What is about this QR code?
It can scan.
It can be scanned and we can view the content
Video.
which is
Video.
in the QR code. Simply by scanning that QR code, you will get a
Video.
Where do you scan?
Diksha app.
In Diksha app. Very good. By using Diksha app, you will get a beautiful video from that QR code. Okay, now come to the lesson. Here is the picture. What is that picture? What are they doing in the picture?
Here is a man reading newspaper. She's
What is she doing?
calling.
She is talking in a telephone. She is talking in a telephone. And what are that children doing?
Children are playing.
Yes, children are playing. The man, maybe he is the father. The father is reading newspaper. Maybe she is mother. Mother is making a call, making a phone call, and she is talking with somebody else. What is she talking? Here is what she is talking with another one. Read, Chinmay. What is that?
Hello auntie, how are you? We are all fine. Recently we have got transfer from Madanapalli to Tirupati. We have taken a nice house. It has very nice and convenient. Please visit once.
Yes. She is telling about their transfer. From which town to which town? Madanapalli to Tirupati. She is telling all these words with whom she is telling with these words? Her auntie. Her auntie. Okay. What's the puppy is telling here? Is it puppy?
Yes.
Maybe it is a cat. Okay. Read. Have you
seen any family in your neighborhood who moved to a new place?
Have you seen any family?
Yes.
Who are that family? Maybe it's our family. We
Yes.
transferred from Biganuru to Srisailam.
Srisalam.
Here, this family transferred from Madanapalli
To
to
Tirupati.
Tirupati. Okay. Here is
Here's a
noted.
sentences from.
A bird. The bird is saying that.
Migration is a seasonal movement of people from one place to another place in search of better
Better livelihood.
Sometimes it changes the structure of the families.
Yes, maybe this is the definition of migration. What is a migration means? Migration is a seasonal movement of people from one place to another place. So the movement is seasonal. Once they move to one place and again they come back. Why all these type of movement are taking place? Because of in search of better livelihood. For their livelihood, they have to search for good job, good work for earning. Okay. Now read the lesson, another paragraph.
Migration affects children in different ways. Sometimes children are taken along with them to the new place, which may have an impact on their education. Sometimes they are left their grandparents or guardians.
Yes. During the migration, some families will take their children with them. Some families will remain the children with their grandparents or some guardians. It will be show some effect on their education and their livelihood also. Okay? Very nice lesson. What did you learn in this page?
I will learn in this page the definition of migration.
Yes. And the last paragraph?
And what are effects in children
Effects on children during the migration.
during the migration.
Yes, very good.